All I want to show you is the next two activities. And these activities is Inventor. If I start to make a drawing, I just choose this plan, just sending up. And all the information from here, there will be the distance between these two is 250. And then from this point, go all the way up. I'm talking about the middle line. You don't have to worry about the pipe, how big they are. That's what we worry after. So that's 500, 250, 500. And then you have 500 again, crossover horizontal, and going down 400, and then 250. Let's draw these first. My start point always be there, 250. Zoom out a little bit, and you don't have to just make to size. What I do, I just show you. That's 250. If you move down a little bit, you can see it. Okay, get dimension, and this one there is 500. Alright, they automatically make an adjustment for you. And then you do this one, 500, 400, and the last one 250. Okay, all this term has been done. And when you're going down to the drawing here, it is a round corner, all round. How do you can make it? There's no numbers in here, say how much filler. The shows in here, the corner there is R35. Therefore, we got filler, and then we do 35. So I put 35 there, and then I go these two lines, here and here. Don't forget, this is the middle line. I'm talking about not outside the boundary of the pipe, but in the middle, all around. This line's finished. I'm happy with these results. What I do is I tick to finish. I'm gonna to draw the tube size, which is 60. What I do is I go to the plan, and I go to this point. When you see the color change, just click on there, and then you click again. Make sure it's turning green. Then you click on the corner there and say I want to make a sketch. I just put 60. All I need is a sweep. They automatically to select this face because there's only one path, and I would like to select this path. And okay, see the tube has been done. If I go closer, it's a solid. It's a solid like a bar, not the tube. All you need to do is go into show, and I want to show here, to here. And the thickness is 1 mil. I want to change to 2 mil. You can see now it's a tube, and 2 mil thickness, and all the way through. Now the tube finish. Well, the next one we need to do is the plate. Let's do this one first. This 130 diameter. If I come here, my plan's still there. I just click on the plan and start drawing. 130. Okay, that's the outside. And then we check the next size. 130. Remember this one there, we still need to put it in. Even you say, oh, you have this, but you still need to put it in. What I want to do is I put from outline, from outside here. Okay, so we got 2 lines. I need to drill some holes from here. 8 hoses is M16, and that's 20 mil thickness. And don't forget 94 PCD. We need to make it 94 first. 94 and enter. You need to have a reference line from the middle there to here. And I say okay. The reason I say put it in here is because the hole started in here. But this one there is not in the middle. You cannot start from right in the center there. So that's 8 hoses, 16. If I come in here, I say 16 and okay. This one can go and this one can go. Then I use circular to select this one. S's, that's from the middle. And we got 8. And then we finish. Soon as we finish, we want to extrude. Remember, the plan is started from there. Is this point there. So this face. So we need to extrude to this way, not the other way. Extrude. See, at the moment it's this way. That's incorrect. Change your direction, flip over, and then click on OK. When you see it, it's perfect. This plan, we right hand click, say invisible. So this one done. Now we need to working on this one now. Start with a plan, we just say this plan. This one is 120. Get the circle. 120. Next one will be here. The second one. Okay. Another one. Drill the hole. We need to have 90 PCD. Now the important part coming. We want to start the hole now. However, it's not in the center anywhere. Not like I'm with this full center line. It's off center 10 mil to the left. What I do is I get a line. I try to get a reference line, and I go into here somewhere, and then I have another reference line to anywhere I want. And now I need to adjust this one and this one there is 10 mil. See, the swing it back. Finally, we got, let's check the size, 12 mil, 6 hoses. Get circle, 12 mil. For the reference line, I can delete it, and delete it. Circular. This one there, the function is still the same. And 6 of them. And you got 6. And then click on OK and see what is the thickness. You always need to confirm. Again, it's 20 mil. Extra. This is 20 mil. Yeah, going to this way. That's final finish. This one has been done. We can save as NUM09210. A, and let's say learning activity task 3-1A. 3-1A, and let's save. Going to the drawing, open, new one, IDW, and base, they will pop up in here. What I want to put, I want to follow this, and this one I want to put exactly the same layout, so therefore I will need to put this way. Coming back to here, I say that's no good, that's no good, the other way around. So keep turning until I see it, and then you say, okay, this one and this one, yeah, and then maybe I just put this one there. Okay, I can move this one across over. This one can go up a little bit. Alright, so that's the how we draw. Remember, you can see it. Some dot lines because they hidden, and some dot lines there. Exactly same as the drawing here. And then you put the dimensions in.